Conversa conversation to video de YouTube. Excuse me. Whether may I take you ordered? Client, yes, I like a hamburger, a larger order of fresh, please. Whether, alright, and would you like salad? Client, yes, I'll have a mixed green salad. Whether, okay, what kind of dresses would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italy, and French. Client, Italy, please. Finally, whether and would you like anything to drink? Client, yes, I like a large soda, please. Conversation number 2. Whether. Good night. What are you going to order? Paula, of course. Tonight I would like a hot dog to put a lot of the cheese and a lot of the sauces. Whether before lunch I am going to show you the menu of the special dresses we have, okay? Paula, yes, but in the end. Whether, are you going to drink something with your food? Paula, what do you have to drink? Whether, we have a natural juice with milk, soda, and lemonade. Paula, I would like a coconut lemonade, please. It is my favorite. Thank you.